Doge rejected a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. The Pingu Charts Telegram is growing exponentially. We have been posting our trades in here, so for those of you that are interested in following along, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, yesterday we did have a beautiful retest on this crucial resistance level here at 0.088, and I mentioned from a bullish case scenario, it's going to be very important for the bulls to actually try to break above this level, followed by an area of support and then a continuation. But you can see that as of right now, ladies and gentlemen, this is live, we are seeing a massive dump on Doge. We saw a beautiful rejection candlestick, multiple retest opportunities, and you guys already know I mentioned the fact that this is going to be our third test retest, and usually on the third test we tend to see a breakout formation. Now, of course, the fact that we are seeing such strong selling volume here, as well as the fact that in terms of exponential moving averages, we are looking for a break formation, this is not a good sign for Doge. Now, there are a few things I want to talk about in this video. Number one, of course, being the fact that we are still on weekend volume, so we have to keep that in mind. Usually on the weekends, we tend to see lots of manipulation, and then within the early morning week side, we tend to see that continuation move, so we have to be very careful trying to get caught out in this position. In my opinion, as long as we trade above these exponential moving averages and we don't really see a clean break to the downside followed by an area of resistance like this, we should still be able to see that confirmation analysis within the week and that continuation on Doge, because of the fact that the market for Bitcoin and Ethereum saw some insane rallies and the altcoins are still lagging a bit behind. Now, of course, if this were a failure pattern and a three test confirmation happened and we didn't see that breakout, this is going to become extremely dangerous for Doge overall. The reason why this 0.088 level, of course, is very important is because of the fact that it acted as a very strong resistance point, as well as the fact that it acted as a very strong support before we finally saw that breakdown formation. Now, in yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that I definitely don't want to see this sort of price analysis where we keep retesting that 0.088 level and having this consolidation zone, because that is extremely bearish. When you have a breakout formation, what you're looking for is a strong volume candlestick and a continuation pattern. And when you break out of a level, you want to see that level retest as support. Right now, we aren't even seeing a clean breakout formation. We see a few wicks trying to break above the high side immediately after get rejected and that continuation. And if we look here, even on the hourly time frames, you can see that we have already broken below our exponential moving averages, and we are now using them as resistance. The last time this happened, we saw a massive move on Doge to the downside, and of course this inverse BART formation played out, and this was supposed to be the opportunity for the bulls to come into the market and see a continuation. Instead, the fact that we aren't seeing that volume come in is a very large factor that this move could have been a fake out before having a larger move set to the downside. Now, in terms of the hourly, we still have quite a ways to go, of course, and I have mentioned it to you guys many times that I am looking for that 0.075 level to be tested and broken. The reason why is the fact that you can see we've already seen a three test confirmation on this level. This would be the fourth test, and usually on that test we tend to see a nice breakdown formation to retest our major support at 0.064. For those of you that have been watching my videos time after time after time, I have mentioned to you guys, when a crypto pair or any sort of trading currency enters a major support level but doesn't necessarily test that level exactly, that tends to be a fake out opportunity before finally going back down to retest that area of support. We see it across the stock market, we see it across the forex market, and the crypto market isn't anything different. Right now, that's what I have been paying attention to, and we can see that the fact that there's no bullish pressure being applied, this move can definitely be a fake out. It's a little too early to get that confirmation, of course, because of the fact that it is the weekend. We have have a lack of liquidity. But ladies and gentlemen, pay very close attention to seeing how the 0.88 level plays out. Any clean break above that level followed by an area of support, of course, is extremely bullish. But in the meantime, even the daily time frames, you can see that we are seeing multiple retest confirmations and failure patterns happen as of right now. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.